Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking what your plants need and why night lighting matters. Start with verifying photoperiod sensitivity. Some crops need uninterrupted dark to flower. Once done, pick a light type. Full spectrum LED for growth, warmer 3000K for bloom. LEDs run cooler and use less power. Next, install a reliable 24-hour timer and plug lights in. Make sure to position fixtures at the recommended distance. Too close causes heat stress, too far wastes energy, and reduces intensity. You now handle the detailed setup and ongoing control. Install lights securely, keep cables tidy, and aim for even coverage. Overlap beams to avoid dark spots. Program the timer for precise night intervals. Some plants prefer a gradual ramp, others tolerate instant on. Make sure to synchronize multiple fixtures so transitions are consistent. Once up, monitor light intensity with a PAR meter or a smartphone Lux app, and adjust height or wattage to maintain target levels. This prevents stretching or light burn. You finish by eliminating light leaks and stabilizing the environment. Seal windows and use blackout cloth so stray street or indoor light won't interrupt dark cycles. Even small leaks can reset photoperiods. Make sure power circuits, ventilation, and fans handle the load. LEDs are efficient, but wiring and heat still matter. If flowering stalls, the key fix is checking uninterrupted dark hours and timer accuracy. Replace the timer or reprogram and observe for 3-5 days to confirm recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.